Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add banner on Discord. Let's go to add banner on Discord. The first thing you need to do is tap on your profile at the bottom, tap on edit profile, and then you scroll down, you'll see banner. So try to have fun with it before going there. Okay, so you tap on your profile background color, that is the profile banner. Then you can start to use a dog color like this one, or better still add a better banner instead of using just colors. Then once you have a better banner, you have to choose the second option, which is this, which allows you to turn your favorite photos, memes, or GIFs into profile banners. But you need Nitro for this. So I don't have Nitro, so tap on get Nitro. So you tap on get Nitro, and the truth is actually that you need a subscription for this. So once you tap on get Nitro, give you subscription, and you subscribe, and then you can now have access to profile themes, animated avatars, profile banners, and more. Hope you found this video helpful, showing you what my profile will look like here. The banner will look like if I have Nitro. Hope you found this video helpful.